Canva has layers, which basically means that when you take a graphic, such as maybe something that you've created on ChatGPT or any other platform for that matter, you upload it into Canva, and there's some things that you need to change around. You're now able to do that with the layers function in Canva. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So this is a caricature I had created, and I want to have this badge on this shoulder over here. Now, as you can see, it is a whole image. There's nothing that's separate that can be clicked on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure that the graphic is clicked. As I've got here, you can see the line around it. Then I'm going to go to Edit. Click on Edit. And now we have the tools bar at the top here. Magic Layers is what we're going to be using. Now, layers, this specific function is available to both Pro as well as free subscribers. As you can see, there's a little crown there. There's nothing here. So we click on Magic Layers, and now Canva is thinking, and it's identifying what can be separated from one another. So let's see what it comes up with. All I'm interested in is the badge and maybe the little sparkles that's around it, because I want to move it to this shoulder here. There we go. Canva has selected everything that can be selected. I want to deselect the background and only keep this bit here. For ease, I'm going to group it, and I'm just going to move it to this side. Now, there we go. So let's move it off. But now you can see that there's still a little bit of ick left behind there. Not much to do about that. Edit. Grab. Brush. That. And we grab it. And let's grab it. And we'll delete it. Hopefully it now deletes all of that. Yep, it has deleted it. So now we close that. And we just simply move this back, ungroup it, and maybe just move the stars a little bit. You can't really move it because I don't want the stars to be in front of the hand. So we'll leave it where it was. And we'll just select everything again, group it, and position it. And there we have it. So not only did I show you how to use Canva's Magic Layers, but I also showed you how to use Canva's Grab. It's not 100%. The background, as you can see, as you noticed on the badge itself, still shows a little bit of ick there. Not much to do about that. Have yourself a fabulous day, and let me know how you get on with Magic Layers.